Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you a wonderful video. In this video I'm going to tell you how to synchronize audio in IELTS listening along with the question booklet, question paper. You have the audio, you have the question paper. So sometimes students fail to synchronize these two things. Audio is somewhere and students are somewhere else on question booklet. So this video is all about synchronizing your audio with the question booklet. Remember, there are two types of information in your IELTS listening. One is information that is on question paper, and one is information which is in the audio. These two types of information are similar in meaning but entirely different in wording. So first of all, you should know the common synonyms which are used in IELTS listening, the commonly used words in IELTS listening and in IELTS in the audio and on the question booklet. Now, when we talk about question booklet, there are two types of information on the question booklet. One is information without question and one is information with question. And this is true for part 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, information that is without question on the question booklet, especially in part 1 and part 4, when you have sentence completion, notes completion, some notes are without question and some notes are with question. So especially the notes which are without question, you can underline one signpost word or one keyword there when they speak about that word, or when they speak that word directly in the audio. You know now the audio has reached there, and the next point there is a question and I have to find the answer. So this is very important. Number one, information without question, signpost a word over there, and that will help you. After that, the second important thing is, especially when there are blanks, what is written before the blank is very, very important, because in the audio they paraphrase that very thing. They reword it, they paraphrase it. Sometimes they use similar words, synonyms and all that. So if you know, the answer is going to come after the synonym of this word. For example, pot for plants. For pot, they may use the word container, right? So if it is written, what's the color of the pot? In the audio, if they say it's in the red container, it's in the red container. Now you know container and pot, they are similar words, and answer is red. Okay, for example, like this. So practice will make you perfect. I have discovered all these things while practicing my IELTS, because I have solved many tests myself, and then I look into each question. When I do IELTS listening, when I teach IELTS listening, I look into every question, and this thing enables me to teach IELTS well. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub from Madyan Hotel, Madyan, Sawat Valley wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.